Kush. Yeah, man, give me a link back when you get that message, dog. And you can meet me down on the beach road. Down there, take a run. Yo, brother, I'm running to Nevea. My lad, you really need to tap the girl until you go back and find dog. It's not a good look, man. Yeah, man, brother, just give me a link back when you get this, man. And meet me down on the beach road, eh? Yeah, bless.
Fight for your right.
Always listen now.
Fight for your right.
Always buckle up and let's take a ride. Let's go see what life is like. Cause when you're black, you got to pay the price. Living in poor and poverty ain't nice. So when you get an option, just make a choice. And when you make a choice, make sure it's right. Cause what is life? Life is a reality. Me see poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury. And all they get to youths, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? Life is a reality. Me see poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury. And all they get to use, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? Always. You better make sure that you do the right. Stop think once, start think twice. Stop all the war, fussing and fight. Warring by day and war by night. When the time is right, it's gonna be alright. Let us all unite. Let us all unite. Yeah. Sorry.
Wow, Jigga.
Long time no see you. You good?
Yeah, man, I'm good, man.
Hey, sorry about the breakup, man. I heard about it. Was.
Oh, don't worry about that, man. Me long over that.
But you actually take it better than me think, though. Wow.
Yeah, of course.
But that's alright. Tell me something. What was the product you were selling again? You say I'm a big-time entrepreneur now. What was it, if you don't mind me?
Well, I wanted to do goat yoga and doggy daycare. But he went with the jerk mayonnaise and it went well for him, so?
Doggy daycare and goat yoga in a Jamaica, yeah?
Then, goat yoga bigger foreign, you know, and Jamaican people love foreign things, alright? Plus, warm to the people that when they want to leave them dog, who will take care of them?
True, that still.
Yeah, so, yeah, good thing. So what's going with you?
You know, so I start up my little thing on my own door. I have a little side thing for weekends and thing, you know? A little computer thing. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
And plus, I start a dating side.
Yeah, where you call it?
I'm going to call it Man and Woman Link Up. 21 and over, can click in a big people sitting thing.
So up to the young youth then.
What do you mean?
Everybody look for love, my dear. Look into it. So, you know what? Paulette was telling me that you had mad skills on the computer. So, you know what? Me mark slow. I wonder if you can fix it for me. When you can come by?
Yeah, no problem. You come by, man. On the weekend?
Yeah.
What Saturday?
So take me number now?
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, sure.
I'm gonna have my phone.
Okay, what's the number?
Alright. 876-296-7402, yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah, man,
Jigga,
definitely.
look a bit here.
Take care, yeah?
I'll go back up.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah.
Listen, you not deliver. You need to deliver.
Give me a little time, boss. Just give me a little time.
I don't wait for time, man.
Yeah, but me I
Push,
said,
happy,
man.
hold. Give me a shot, boss. This is not nothing to play around, you know. I want Kush, the pill them, see? And I want everything. And watch you know, no? You say if you can't hand over Kush to I, you go and go to jail.
I'm going to tell you, boss, just give me a little more time.
Time? I don't want you about no time.
Just look a bit more time, boss. A little more time.
I don't follow sad story, you know. I just work, I work. I need Kush. You hear me? The pill them, we need them.
No, boss.
And you hear me? You say if you don't hand over him, or make me get in touch with the pill them, you are going to jail. And I serious. So what you decide to do, my brethren?
Just beg a little bit more time, boss. Just a little more time. Now I beg you, boss.
Don't make we have to come back for
Just
you.
look more
Don't
time.
make we have to come back for you.
more time. That.
Kush, you know, remember me and say boy shot boss. I inform my youth. Yo, guess who boy you chat to? No, he's superintendent man, and he want to warn me my youth. Look fat one man. Yo, dog. Yo, brother, if we wipe out shark boss no my youth, I will just crush mission in no brother. Cause shark boss are informer in no man. What you say? Come on. Hold on. Yeah man, I him man. I sure see a shark boss man. I told him a chat. I know say with him a chat about.
Who's that? Oh, baby, come in.
Kill him!
Oh my God, I'm sorry.
Them kill him,
Oh my God, oh my God. Let me put this outside. Oh my God, I can't believe it. What happened? What happened?
Them kill me, brother.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. It's gonna be all right? Everything's gonna be good. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna take care of everything. All right? Just sit. Let me get you some water. Just sit down. Lie down a bit. Lie down a bit. I'll get you some water. All right? So you think the police know who is it? Who did the crime?
Who kill him, Kush? Only brother God.
Alright, just drink the water. It's gonna be good. Take care of everything. Praying for you. Praying for you. Alright? Don't worry about anything. Everything is gonna be alright. And you remember, you can stay here as long as you want, alright? As long as you want, you can stay at my place. As long as you want. You can stay here and do anything and just be comfortable. I'll take care of you, alright? Come. I love you.
See your phone now. Voicemail. I don't like them thing here. God know I don't like them thing here. Yo, I bet. Wait till me see her. Call her. I call her phone. Right on the clock and I can't get her. I'm on here, she there now. You see a girl there? Alright. Make sure she answer so. The moment she step through that, watch over. Yo, me hurt her now.
Yeah, me there, you know. Come around the back. Alright.
Jigga, you reach?
Come on, tell her son, hard to fret.
Come on, this kind of move slow, you know. Look on it there for me.
Slow, eh?
Yeah.
Alright, me take a look and see what's going on.
Yeah, I'm so far.
Yeah, man. Yeah, babes. No, I'm actually over Desiree house to fix the computer. You cook? I'm saying I'm hungry, it's like my belly about to eat itself. No, man, I'm soon done. Probably about an hour tops. Okay. I love you too.
man?
Hey.
Everything alright?
Yeah, just a boot up you now.
You want something to eat? Anything to drink? We have some delicious food.
You know,
We
some
just
belly full like, whoa, me just buy a food out of that, man. If you boy full up, me, yo, I know me can't have a belly.
That even look at juice is nice, man.
No, me good, man. Thanks, bro,
Alright.
yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Me see what I'm going. Me tell you how I'm going in a couple
Okay.
minutes.
Alright. When you finish, shout me.
Alright. What the hell? Oh, this can't be seen. Desiree!
Yeah?
Yeah, me done enough.
That was
Yeah, man.
Already?
Just a little cleaning up.
Yeah?
Nothing too tough.
So why you move so fast? Where you going so far?
What do you mean?
Whatever you have to say, you can say it to me, no?
Desiree, you can't be saving money out of your ex-man account and saving into another account. You don't think the people will catch you?
What you want to talk about?
You know what I'm talking about. You can't do that. You go to jail.
Whatever me I do, it hold to me.
Desiree, me think you say you got over everything with your man. So that's your plan? Whatever you do, a jail work, I'm tell you, you go to prison.
Alright, Jigga, have a nice day.
Yeah, you too.
To pick up the
Me
pieces.
a talk to Rima, jungle, my chiseling pen. Walton, Jerusalem, Garden, and them. Baga war and violence.
Just don't make those things.
We talk to east and west and north and south. Bury the guns, don't bring them out. Peace will promote. Oh, oh. Let's just stop for a minute and check. How many life wasted in death? How many communities get wrecked? How many youths grow up fatherless? We can all do much better. There's no peace in the world. But we just come together. Cause we're tired of the murder. Everywhere we turn at murder. Happy blood around. Every man a bus corner. We tired of this.
Yo, Spurlina. You want to say that Mr. Fan long the same and I say, yo, Spurlina, that it looks so better. Like somebody near me white phone.
Right, dog. Dog, this thing on the right, dog.
Yo,
Yeah, right, dog.
what you talk about, dog? You good?
Oh, me get them paper here, brother.
Paper? What you doing? Test?
Jano, the man you not answer them phone in a yacht. Oh, like it a ring you now. Kojo, you hear me I say? Yo, make sure say you have a piece of money and macaroni, you know, cause I come like a scam on run no bad man. You see me? Upon the idiot thing we do now. Make sure, matter of fact, youth, make sure you have my money, cause I'm not upon the idiot thing. That man go the money for deal with certain thing and I go like a tip man for idiot and not even answer on the phone. I left the message and make sure when you get that message you paid me back bad man. I want my money me I deal. Yo, me not brother, I'm not upon the idiot thing we do now. So make sure so you page me bad man. Yo, them boy, yo, them not even know how them are between them and man. Boss said in a dog.
Got some DNA testing now, brother.
DNA?
Yeah, man.
Jano.
No, brother, me have 2 more youth on the way, brother.
2 more youth on the way. Jano, plus a woman on your yacht. Jano,
Mess up big
Spurlina.
time, yo, man. Mess up big time, man. You
Big
can't
time.
afford this car. Janice have really left me this time, brother.
Oh, calm down, man. Calm down. You're not going to lose her, man.
Afford to lose her, brother.
How about that?
No.
No, man, I better think about the negative way there. Man, I better think like that. Yeah.
Enough problems in the gear, you know.
Jano,
Brother.
I tell you, try to tell us still in a
Tell
Spurlina,
me
man.
didn't feel good enough. Me have to make a move, you know, brother. Me a cut, you know. Move, you know. Me feel good enough.
Yo, just go easy. See, anything short, me, you know.
Yeah, man.
Remember, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Jano, brother. 2 more youth.
Call the one cushion because understand this. Why not answer me? Kush, I know you see me I call you. I know you see me I call you. You not answer me. Yo, I don't know, you know. I don't know what kind of plan to execute, you know. Because it's right now, I shouldn't in this, you know, right now, I lay down yourself. I shouldn't be lay down yourself, you know, Kush. Right now, man, a pain. You understand? It's not nice, you know, Kush. You need to call me. You get what me I say, because I not take this. Kush, me not take this, Kush. Call me back. Kush, call me back. I not take this.
Yeah, I tell her. I tell her some Mrs. Spirlina yesterday. And you wouldn't believe what happened.
Babes, hold that thought. Remember I said I was going to get a personal trainer? Well, she's here right now, so I'm going to make you meet her, alright?
She's here.
Yes.
So yeah, but I'm not going to say start the 30.
Nikki! Yeah? Come meet my husband.
I want my money where you feel like.
Which money? Tell us by the other night, you can't get no time.
I know you have a computer business and I want my money.
Money? You can't get no money from me. Tell you, I'm going to lose, you know. You're just a backer. Oh, you're a gym teacher. You're not a gym teacher. What kind of gym teacher you?
I worry yourself about that. You will soon find out.
What do you work for, by the way? If you show up at my house, my family there. I can have something wrong with your brain.
Is either you give me my money or I mash up your life.
I like to think that never got me, yeah? Never.
But how are them there?
So we call us such now. We can't go down so far.
She good though. Me tell her say she good.
Ah, we look like she know her thing.
Me tell her say she good.
My back hurt me.
So
What do you
Nikki,
think?
you ready?
Yeah, man.
Alright, come.
Can't be something. Me, I go through them something like that. Really and truly. Because you're no star. Because a man feel weak, right? I know that. My can't left me, you know. I'm gonna help me, you know. Me and her from a long time, you know. Can't make she left me, you know, man. Yes, party, if we kill them, you know. How much you have me great pay? Licking party!
Yes, I'm that daddy. I'm Robbie artist. Yeah man, I'm that migration. Come here.
So I call episode 6 Informer, because episode 6, you definitely get a chance to see what Sharp Boss is up to and why he was so anxious for Kush to make that move. See, what we haven't really revealed yet is that Sharp Boss got himself into a jam. So in order to get out of that jam, he's actually snitching to the cops. The cops are using him to get the Kush. Because apparently it's a pill situation going on. The cops heard that these pills are in the neighborhood. They don't know who's bringing them in. But Sharp Boss, he overheard somebody talking about the pills. And that's his way of getting out of the jam that he got into previously. So the cops are trying to use him as a link to get the Kush. I know I'm gonna get a lot of like emails and people gonna DM me and said, so how come Wi-Fi knew that the cops were talking about he and Kush? But I mean, I did that like that because people talk like that. You know what I'm saying? When you panic, you just assume all types of stuff. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I did that like that. But people do talk like that. So I'm just gonna leave that like that. I know I'm gonna be hearing a lot of people saying, so why is the chief out there with the squaddy when the chief shouldn't really be out in the street? But again, we're gonna reveal all of that later on. He took it up on himself to be out there because all the crazy stabbing that going on, and they want to solve some of those cases. You know what I mean? I thought the rain scene going into Nevaeh and Kush's scene was good because that was gonna be a very emotional scene right there. Her brother got killed the last episode, so that's why I did that rain scene as like a transition going into their scene. I really wanted to bring back Passion in episode 6 because Passion and Jigga's story is really the main story in this series. Everything else is just a side story to keep the series going. You know what I'm saying? So I thought I really needed to bring back Passion in episode 6 so as not to keep that story out of the series for a longer time. You know what I mean? I thought I really needed to start the episode with the phone call to Kush just to show the audience how important that conversation is that Jigga had with Nevaeh. Because Kush is really setting himself up for disaster, going around telling all these girls that he's going back when he know he's really not going back. You know what I mean? And in the ending scene, I know, again, the audience are probably looking and saying, well, that's not the guy that really robbed the artist Rena Flex in season 1. And that's true. It's really not him, but you're going to see how that going to come back to bite them as the series continue. So I just wanted to do this quick look into episode 6, man. You know what I'm saying? Anybody not really unclear? Anybody unclear with what happened in the episode? You know what I mean? So I just wanted to do this quick look into episode 6 right quick. Appreciate everybody for watching, man. It's a lot of work, putting the work in. It's tough, but
We really want to finish the series. So please subscribe and share. Tell somebody about the series. You know what I mean? And if you can, click the link, make a donation to the GoFundMe. It really helps us to make the series better for you. Again, thanks for watching. Keep watching the series. It's GQ TV. Thanks for watching. Peace. I'm out. See you on the next episode.
Ricky Wave Music. This is Benito.
Yanks and Mill.
After the brutal killing of 5 people, 3 of them children, on Sunday.
Of the 5 people murdered at just the beginning to pick up the pieces.
Me I talk to Rima, jungle, matches Linden. Walton, Jerusalem, Garden, and them. Baga war and violence.
Just don't remember those things.
We talk to east and west and north and south. Bury the guns, don't bring them out. Peace will promote. Oh, oh. Let's just stop for a minute and check how many life wasted in death. How many communities get wrecked. How many youths grow up fatherless. We can all do much better. There's no peace in the world. But we just come together. Cause we're tired of the murder. Everywhere we turn at murder. Happy blood around. Every man a bus gonna. We tired of the everywhere we turn at. Happy blood around. Every man a bus gonna. Murder.
Sometimes I think I'm dreaming. Walking these streets, I see demons. Trapped in this garden of Eden, for what reasons? I wondered why faith made me the first seeming. Boy, I seen plenty die before their hearts stopped beating. Ran with the label performed treason. Try to take money from Yanks, not pleasing. Turn this nice dude into this red-eyed demon. It ain't the Henny or the weed, the twin barrels is speaking.
Tell me one to the days when the Valley Garden a matches lane men. Coulda hold a 1 vibe on the Siemens. Nafi will report gunshot blazing. Canterbury, Granville, Mount Salem. Them used to be a safe haven. Make we bring back the good days them. Make we bring back the good days them. Cause I'm murder. Everywhere we turn at murder. Happy blood around.
Every man a bus gonna.
We tired of it. Everywhere we turn at. Happy blood around. Everyone of us gonna murder, murder.
They say New York City got the livest boroughs, but I gotta give my props to the wildest borough. Brooklyn, AK Crooklyn, home of the brave, where people's rock coochies and them bergs for days. And a foe on the side that would split some braids, parts and waves, waves done, turn to fades. Scarred for life like dust rolling hash and haze. Come on Brooklyn, beef is like a fashion craze.
Everywhere we turn at murder. Happy blood around.
Every man a bus gonna.
We tired of it. Everywhere we turn at. Happy blood around. Everyone